In the previous video, we installed Microsoft 365 apps successfully. And what about in this video? We're going to create a configuration policy to automatically enable OneDrive login, which suits good now since we have 365 apps installed, and also to redirect the folders such as desktop and pictures and documents, so when the users save their files they arrive on the cloud. So if we need to autopilot or reset the machine, they will not lose their desktop. It will be synced and ready for the new machine. So let's we should have OneDrive here, but we are not signed in or anything. That's totally fine. We're going to do that automatically. So let's go back into the console, and this time we go devices, and we want configuration policies, and it's empty here, even though we have a BitLocker, but we created that in another place. Could have been created here. So let's create our first configuration policy. So select platform. We're going to do this for Windows 10 and later. Profile. Let's do settings catalog and click here. So I'm going to call this one GBN automatic OneDrive login plus folder redirect. Policy configuration to ensure users desktop documents and pictures are synced to OneDrive, something like that. Hit next. So here in the catalog, let's add setting, and let's look for OneDrive. Should be here somewhere. Hit search. There we have it, OneDrive. And it's loading. So let's say we only allow syncing for our organization. We probably need to specify our tenant ID. We can allow users to choose how to handle when it's sync conflicts, like name not accepted. Well, we take them one by one here. And you can choose whatever you want, of course. We can disable the tutorial that appears at the end of the user. They don't need to see that. Actually, let's exclude specific kinds of files also. That could be fun. Limit, no prevent. We can set that one as well. That one is nice, the on-demand. What I wanted, oh, very important, silently move known folders, and the known folders, those are desktop pictures and documents, and very much this one, silent sign in. I think we might be good. So I click on the X here, and now we need to configure these using their Windows credential. Yes please. Silently move known folders. Yes please. Show notification. No. And here we need the tenant ID. Tenant ID, we have to go over to Azure AD, your Active Directory, and we have our tenant ID here. I'm going to copy that one, copy the clipboard, paste that one. I think we will need it one more time. Use drive files on demand, and you have the iHero explain, but that's a very nice feature, like it. Set up sync app update ring. And let's put production for that one. Exclude specific kind of files from being uploaded. I'm not a big fan of PST files, so we can put, looks like we can put an asterisk.pst and maybe block that. Let's do that. Disable the tutorial appears at the end. Let's Since we sign them in silently, that could be a bit confusing. Allow users how to handle Office files and conflicts. Okay, that's fine. Allow syncing for only specific organization. Let's only take our organization. That looks good to me. Let's go next. Not using scope tags. Assignment. I'm gonna add this to all devices. Let's add this to all devices. And create. It's finished. Okay, here we got our policy. So let's hope that kicks in soon. I'm gonna click on it. Did the refresh here, and our device have successfully applied. So let's go to the client. Have we been automatically logged in? Yes. If I create a file here, let's create a folder, important files. We can see already it got a sync symbol. Let's create another secret document. And it's getting synced. So if we look on this PC and desktop, for example, and we take properties, we see now that it's under OneDrive, whereas before it was directly under the user profile. So it looks like it's a success. We have our policy, we have redirected the known folders, we automatically logged in the users into OneDrive. So success. Thank you very much.